Knowing if your front door is installed correctly, there's many different things that I'd recommend that you take a look at. First and foremost, the easiest thing to take a peek at is just to make sure simply that the door is functioning. You know, does it open and close correctly? When you close it, does the deadbolt, does it hit the strike plate, or is it actually going into the area in which we want it to go into? Some things that you should look at prior to, really in the process of the door being installed, things that we pay attention to as it pertains to the frame of the door, making sure that it's level, that it's square. If those two things aren't happening, obviously that's going to affect the operation of the door. So if the door isn't operating, those are indicators that there's a larger issue at hand. A couple of the other things that you can take a peek at are the weather stripping. Is it engaging? Step outside the door, shut the door, make sure that the weather stripping on the door to the frame is touching and it's tight. Of course, that's important because we want the door not to transfer any energy. Making sure the door is plumb is also important. So as the door is shut, going around that door, making sure that the reveal on the sides and the top are all equal. If you're seeing a larger gap on one side of the door versus the other, obviously that's going to be problematic. The door still may shut and lock properly, but my guess is that there's going to be some thermal transfer that's taking place.